here is one of my Carter Family records of Engine 143. And I know y'all are gonna say, don't play it on this. I really don't give a shit. It's my record. I paid good money for it. That is no offense to y'all. I appreciate everything y'all are doing, commenting. But seriously, I collect to have fun. And they are my records that I've spent my money on. This one I spent $50 on. And I would love to play it how I would like. I change my needle every time I play the record. So, yeah, I hope y'all enjoy.
Along came the F-50, the swiftest on the line, running o'er the Cielo Road, just 20 minutes behind, running into Seville headquarters on the line, receiving their strict orders from a station just behind. George's mother came to him with a bucket on her arm, saying, my darling son, be careful how you run, for many a man has lost his life in trying to make lost time, and if you run your engine right, you'll get there just on time. Up the road she darted, against the rocks she crushed. Upside down the engine turned, and George's breast did smash. His head was against the bar box door, the flames are rolling high. I'm glad I was born for an engineer to die on the Cielo Road. The doctor said to Georgie, my darling boy, be still. Your life may yet be saved if it is God's blessed will. Oh no, said George, that will not do. I want to die so free. I want to die for the engine I love, 143. The doctor said to Georgie,